Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Walmart haul, and I'm so excited because they had so many new things. So I'm going to put you on to all the newness, lots of new makeup, new beauty products, and of course I had to get a couple little miscellaneous things along the way because Walmart gets me every single time. And I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. It is always such a pleasure to work with brands that I have literally shopped at my entire life, and Walmart is definitely at the top of that list. I absolutely love shopping there. It's my go-to stop for home essentials, food, fashion, and of course the beauty section is my absolute favorite. Love the brands, love the variety, and of course I love the affordable prices. So thank you Walmart so much for working with me in today's video. All the products that I mentioned in today's video linked for you guys to shop down below in the description box if you're interested. Make sure you grab a snack, of course, get cozy, and let's have some girl time and do a little Walmart haul. So I have been in a pamper mode lately. I've been doing baths, I've been shaving, exfoliating consistently, moisturizing the skin, all the things. And I typically always do that, to be honest, but lately I've been doing a little extra TLC for my skin, and I think it's because it's the winter and my skin gets a little bit more sensitive during this time. So I got a couple little extra pamper goodies. First, I wanted to shout out these shower bombs. I already opened them to smell them because I could not help myself. I could smell them through the bag. So these are the Body Restore Dreamy Lavender shower bombs, and I love these because they're individually wrapped. Basically with these, you just place them on your shower floor away from the water. You don't want to submerge these in water, and you basically just shower. I recommend getting a hot shower so that the steam will help to melt these, and it'll just give you that lavender aroma in the shower, and it just adds to the experience. It smells so good, very relaxing. I tried a couple other brands before, but these had really great reviews online, so I wanted to try them. Also picked up a new shampoo, and this one is the Kristen S the One Signature shampoo, and I actually specifically wanted to try this because it says it's a shampoo for pretty much anyone. It's cruelty free, color safe, vegan, free of sulfates, parabens, and seems like it's a pretty universal shampoo. And I've tried Kristen S products before, like another hair product, and it smells so good. I feel like her stuff smells like when you go get your hair done at the salon. And next up, I have the Tree Hut Moisturizing Shave Oils. I am obsessed with these. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I am constantly raving about these. They give you the smoothest, closest shave, and your legs will feel super soft after. I also love the way these smell. And I've never tried the vanilla scent. I love the rose one. The coconut lime one smells really good too. I've tried like the majority of all of them, but I wanted to get vanilla because I've been so into warm, cozy scents. And this one smells so good. The vanilla is perfect because it's not too sweet and too strong, but it's fabulous. So if you guys have not tried these shave oils, this is a good find, and it's like 10 bucks. Speaking of shaving, I love the Bikini Zone Anti-Bump Shave Gel for the bikini area. Helps to prevent any itching, any bumps that you may have, ingrown hairs, and I'm just a big fan of this. I have repurchased this so many times, and this is a newer size. Typically it's a little bit smaller, and it was under $5. So such a great thing to add to your hygiene routine. It's amazing, and I swear by that. And I told you guys I've been so into baths lately, so I wanted to get another one of these Dr. Teal's foaming baths. This one specifically smells divine. It's the Soothe and Comfort with oat milk, argan oil, and essential oils. So I told you guys I'm into the warm, sweet scents lately, and this one is perfect. And every time I use Dr. Teal's, I swear my skin is so soft. So Dr. Teal's is my jam. Can't go wrong. Super affordable, and they have a bunch of different scents. And now let's get into some of the beauty products. So I picked up this Hard Candy All Over Body Luminizer. I wanted to try this because it says it's transfer resistant, and this is such a pretty champagne color. Hard Candy actually had a bunch of new makeup, which I'll show you guys in a minute, but I want to swatch this. Okay, it comes with a pump like this. How beautiful would this be, like all over your chest, just to give you a really beautiful glow? I'm gonna put some on my arm right here, and I'm gonna blend this out with a brush. That's pretty. Look at that glow. It also smells really good. That is so pretty. The glitter is not super chunky. It's actually really smooth and pretty. Oh, and it doesn't feel super sticky. It actually doesn't feel sticky at all, which is nice. It absorbs into the skin kind of like a moisturizer. Oh, it actually says on here it has a fresh coconut scent. It definitely does smell very summery, but this is nice. I love the fact that it's not sticky, and check out the bottle. It's legit glass. This looks really nice. Next up from Hard Candy, I have the Sheer Envy Glow Primer. Very curious about this. This is the packaging, super cute. I like the pump on it. I'm just gonna pump some right on the back of my hand. Oh, wow. This is like bronzy. Okay. I did not expect that. That is super glowy. It smells really good, by the way. It feels almost like an oil on the skin a little bit. Look at that glow though, that is really pretty. So I'm definitely gonna be testing this out in an upcoming video. Stay tuned, that looks intriguing, very interesting. And then I also got this luminous blush from Hard Candy as well. I have to swatch this right now. This one is in the color Born Yesterday. They had, I believe, 4 or 5 shades in total. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Very cool. Wow, that is so pretty. I love that color. It also says it's hydrating, brightening, buildable. Kind of looks like the color that is on my cheeks right now. That looks really, really pretty. Okay, part 3 of testing new drugstore makeup will be coming. More from Hard Candy. I told you guys I had a couple of new products. So this is the plumping lip gloss in the color Pink Teddy. And this one has a little bit of a light shimmery finish. It smells minty. Oh, that's nice. It's like a nice peachy orangey shade. This is definitely giving me spring vibes. I want to put some on right now. Nice and minty. I know I already had lip gloss on, but I could not help myself. This color looks beautiful. Their new lip liner in the color Perfect Match. They also had a couple different shades. Okay, these are what the lip liners look like. So you get a little brush, which is actually nice. And then this is what the lip liner looks like. So it is retractable, which is nice. Okay, that's pretty. It might be a little bit too light for me, but that's a pretty color. Goes on really nice and creamy, and it's matte. I did get a darker lip liner. Okay, so this one is the color Boyfriend from Hard Candy. Okay, yeah, it is. It's a little bit darker than the other. I love that color. It's like a nice warm neutral brown. I had to stock up on my go-to brow products. I can't even tell you guys how many times I have repurchased both of these, but first I got my favorite brow pencil. It's the Oma Beauty 2-in-1 Brow Styler. The amount of times that I have raved about this on my channel, it's insane, but it really is my go-to. So you get the brow pencil on one side. I'm in the shade 08, by the way. So at one point I did outline and fill in my entire brows with this, but now I just went back to my pomade because I love a good dark brow, but you could totally fill in your entire brows with this as well. It's a nice formula, but I prefer it for outlining, and then I love the other side because you get a little brow gel so you can set your brows into place. The brush is great too because you can coat every single hair. It's just a great formula, and this is another great find under 10 at Walmart. And I think I will forever and always do my brows like it's 2016. So I had to get my e.l.f. liner and brow cream in the shade Espresso. What are you guys using on your brows? Please let me know. Does anyone else still use a pomade, or is it just me? Because I swear not a lot of people do this anymore, but I love me a good pomade, and this one in the shade Espresso from e.l.f. is perfect. I love the shade. I love this formula. It lasts so long. The one that I have, I don't even know for how long I've had it. I want to say it's been a year. Maybe even longer, but I've hit pin on it, but I need to get a new one, so it was time. I picked up 2 new brushes from e.l.f. Well, actually they're not new, but this one is another repurchase. I already have 2 of these in my collection, but I love this brush so much. I love this for blending out cream blush, cream bronzer. It's just a great affordable brush, and it is the Complexion Duo brush. And I will say, when you first get your brushes, and I feel like this applies to all brushes, when you first get them out of the packaging, I always recommend washing them and just kind of playing with them a little bit, like with your fingers, and just fluffing them out a little bit because they can be a little bit smushed in the packaging. But this is one of the best affordable brushes. I also love the little concealer side on the other side as well. It's great for the under eyes, great for nose contouring. It's just a great brush under 10. And I wanted to get another powder brush, and I haven't used this brush in so long. Wow, I forgot actually how good it is for powder. It's just a good flat top kabuki. We all need a good powder brush in our lives, and this one is great because you can pack on the powder and give yourself such a smooth look. You can use these for multiple different things when it comes to your makeup. You cannot go wrong. So yeah, I'm excited for this powder brush. Speaking of e.l.f., I also got another dual pencil sharpener. I love this sharpener for my lip liners, my eyeliners. These are just good to have, especially when you're traveling. I need a little cover on it. So love me a good sharpener. I've also heard so many good things about the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs makeup. So I wanted to get this as well as the cream because I've heard good things about these individually, but I've heard even better things when you combine these together. So apparently this is just water resistant and it gives your legs a bronzy, glowy, smooth look. And apparently this doesn't come off on the clothes or anything because it is supposed to be waterproof and transfer resistant. Let me know if you guys have tried these, and also I'm wondering if you can use these because it says legs and feet, but like could you maybe use this on your chest as well? But yeah, I've always wanted to try these and I don't know why I never did, but this time I'm like, let's do it. And then I got the Tea Tree Foot Peeling Spray from the brand Earth Therapeutics. This looked so intriguing, especially now for the winter time. So it says that this product works in seconds. You spray it and it starts to gently exfoliate any rough, dry skin. Like, how cool is that? Is this a Korean skincare product? That's really cool because it says K Aesthetics on here and then on the back it says Korean Beauty. Oh, so I really enjoy doing foot masks, and the one that I really like actually makes your feet peel, but it takes a couple days for them to peel. So I thought this was interesting because it apparently is instant. So I'm gonna have to try this out and see, because who doesn't want smooth feet, especially in the wintertime? Like, it's a must. I will definitely be using that. That is just so intriguing. I have to try this literally tonight, so I'll keep you updated. Okay, I am popping in here to let you guys know that this actually really does work, and all you have to do is spray it and just rub it in with your fingers, and you're gonna see the dead skin literally just peeling away. It's amazing. I just tested it out and I'm shocked that it works instantly. It's so good. So this is definitely gonna be in rotation every week. Also picked up this Burt's Bees Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. I have been on an eye cream kick for the past couple months. I've been trying out so many different eye creams, kind of just narrowing down some of my favorites. I've tried high-end ones, drugstore ones, so I wanted to give this one a try because it says hyaluronic acid and squalene. I was immediately intrigued. Let's open this up. By the way, this is what the packaging looks like, but let's see. I feel like all eye creams should have this kind of packaging, because sometimes, like, when you're dipping your finger in there constantly, it's so easy to grab an excess amount of product and to waste a lot of it. So I actually really love this. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand because I want to feel like the creaminess of it. Ooh, it feels nice. Okay. Next up, I am so happy about this, but I can finally use Physicians Formula again, you guys. So I got the Butter Bronzer. So this brand now officially falls under the cruelty-free list. So I'm really excited because this was one of my favorite bronzers. I was so sad when I couldn't use this anymore because it is so smooth and literally like butter. I loved the color on my skin. I forget what color I used to use, but I got the color Deep. I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna smell it now because that is like one of my favorite things about this bronzer. Just how I remember. So good, so smooth, like butter. I love it. And I really enjoyed this formula when I would use it because it went on so smooth on the skin and it gives this pretty, just bronzy touch. It's not muddy, it's just really nice. Yeah, this is exactly how I remember it. Next up, I picked up these from the brand True Everybody, True & Co. It's just a wire-free adjustable bra. These kind of bras are my favorite. Like, give me everything with no wires, please. If you guys have never tried bras like this, I 100% recommend. I even got my mom to use these as well, and I think they're so great. They give you some good support, but at the same time, it's still really soft, it's stretchy, it's comfortable, and it doesn't feel like you're wearing a bra. It just feels, honestly, even better than a sports bra. So I'm excited about this, and this baby pink color is everything. And then I got another wire-free bra, and this one is from Hanes, and I wanted to get another black one from that brand, but they didn't have my size, so I got this in a medium. And you can remove the padding, by the way, and just keep the actual bra. That's also very comfortable too. I personally really like the padding because it's not too much. These are pretty much typically the only bras that I like to wear. I mean, I have a couple other ones with wire, but if I don't have to wear a wire bra, I won't, and I always opt for these. Like, I'm wearing one of these right now. It's so comfortable. I also picked up these gorgeous sunglasses from the brand Foster Grant. This is like a little bit more luxe. Honestly, at Walmart, this brand, the glasses look like they could be way more expensive than what they are. And how freaking cute are these? I love the gold detail. I love how thin the detailing is as well right here. Like, so pretty. They are a little bit bigger, but I love these. They're so cute. And again, this is the brand Foster Grant Premium. They had beautiful styles of sunglasses that honestly looked, like I said, more expensive than what they actually are. They feel really nice quality. The last two things are two of my favorite things to purchase from Walmart, and those are tanks or t-shirts and jeans. So Walmart has, I think, some of the best quality jeans, especially the brand No Boundaries. It's my absolute favorite, but I wanted to get another just classic pair of jeans. These are a high-rise mom jean, light wash, simple, no rips, no cuts, and they're so comfortable too. I'm not a big jean person, but Walmart jeans are really soft and stretchy. And I also saw these in a dark wash pair and a medium wash, but light wash jeans are my go-tos. And speaking of No Boundaries, I love their ribbed canvas camis and their tanks as well. They didn't have the tank tops today this time, so I just got 3 of these ribbed camis. I have a white one in this, but I always like to get these in as many colors as I can, especially if they're neutral, because I love them for layering. I usually wear them under cardigans, sweaters, jean jackets. They are the best. They're stretchy, they're soft, and I love this ribbed material. It is my favorite. These also come in like long sleeves, usually short sleeves, like just a variety of different styles, but the brand is the same, no boundaries. And then the quality of the clothing I find to be consistent with all of them. Look at the stretch to it. It's so nice. And the best part about these is I believe I paid like $3 for them. I got a light baby pink one, and then I also got a beige one because I actually don't have this color. And these come in a bunch of different colors, by the way. I always just opt for the neutral ones, but they also have some colorful ones too. So that officially completes this Walmart haul. I am really pleased. I got so many great things. I'm so excited for my little pamper stuff, the new makeup. Stay tuned for another testing new makeup coming soon. Let me know if you guys have any recent favorite purchases from Walmart down below in the comments. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video.